The number of factors of 1800 that are multiples of 6. Start by prime factorizing. 1800 is 18 into 100, which is 2 into 3 square into 2 square into 5 square, which is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Any factor of this number has to be of the form 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c. It cannot have a 7, 11, any of those numbers. If there are no conditions, this multiple of 6 were not there, then a can take value 0, 1, 2, 3, b can take value 0, 1, 2, c can take value 0, 1, 2, number of factors 4 into 3 into 3, whatever that is. Now this number, any factor of this has to be a multiple of 6. So factor should have a 2 and a 3, or quite simply, here a can take values 1, 2 or 3, b can take values 1 or 2, c can take values 0, 1 or 2. There has to be at least 1, 2 and at least 1, 3 in the factor. So a cannot be 0, then the number will be an odd number, cannot be a multiple of 6. B cannot be 0, it will not be a multiple of 3, cannot be a multiple of 6. Or a can take 3 values, b can take 2, c can take 3, 18 factors. There are 18 factors of 1800 that are multiples of 6. Other way of doing it, take 1800 divided by 6, find number of factors of this number we have to.